Selling your home sure fills your to-do list. Those carefree weekends are gone for a while. It's time to hunt for a new home and an agent. That's not to mention listing your current home. Beloved, come along. I'll show you how to start. Who has time to think about something like cleaning? The answer? You should, for one simple reason. Getting organized and cleaning your current residence now makes the tedious task of doing so later much easier. Let me do my best to explain. Organization and cleaning are some of the first stages of selling your home. How well your home is staged for prospective buyers goes a long way to determining what it sells for. With your accumulated belongings and clutter out of the way, showing a home becomes so much easier. Do you really want to end up scrambling at the last minute to get those things done? Probably not. Take a pro tip. With so much on the line, you do not want to wait for the last minute. Here are a few tips to jumpstart your organization process today. The first thing you do is sort your things into basic piles. Keep it, trash it, give it away. And maybe most people can get rid of a lot of stuff by just doing this. Secondly, give yourself enough time. This isn't an easy process for anyone, especially if you have been in one place for a while. Our lives are filled with so many things, it's hard to know what you might need. Unless you've been downsizing for a while, the process takes a little bit of skill. When I have to organize, I start with the easiest thing first. Get rid of the paper. This is the digital day and age. Most of our important documents are already available to us online. The rest, newspapers and magazines, are easily recyclable curbside. When it comes to storing the items you're keeping, choose clear plastic bins. Why, you may ask? Well, it's impossible to see through a cardboard box and colored bins. Clear plastics makes moving your things around easy. Look, I know getting organized can be a challenge. Whether you're thinking about selling your home now or later, the process is inevitable. Start now. I believe in you. I'm Youssef, your local Seattle realtor, and this was The Walk.